Alright guys, it's Monday, June 20th. I'm back out here at a spot. I was waiting on them to cut the hay, and they're finally cutting. Still a little tall, but this is where they had built this cabin in the 1980s, but it covers the cellar. This is where they moved the house from here way out the road. Anyway, I was just swinging up through this backyard here, and got a 1347 down about 6 or 7 inches. It's got a really neat, I believe it's a shoe buckle. That's a good find. But I've been here maybe 15 minutes, first good signal. But I'll keep going here, and if I find anything else good, I'll let you know. Alright guys, it's Saturday, June 25th. Haven't been able to hunt much here lately, but I got a wedding this weekend, so I'm over here at this townhouse that turned into schoolhouse again, and it's starting to get dark, but I had a little bit of time here to hunt, and it's got a 1232 1533 signal down about 5 inches, and I think it's an 1881. There's something on the, pretty sure it's a 81. Nice green one. Alright, I'll keep working in here a little bit and see if I can find anything else. I'll get back with you. Alright guys, it's Tuesday, July 5th. We're doing a big field here. Haven't been out much lately. It's been hot and rainy, and just haven't had time. But I was just coming up through this field, and I've got my big now tornado on. Got a 1230 1232 signal, and right there's, it was at the bottom of the hole, and it's the depth of the pinpointer. I just dug a 18, looks like an 1865 Indian. I'm almost positive it's a 65. This is my second signal since we started. We just got here about 10 minutes ago. Alright, keep working in here and see if we can find something else, and I'll get back with you. Alright guys, next find here is down about, I'd say a good 8 inches. It looks like a suspender clip. It's an oldie. I think that's what it is. Alright, that's a good sign. We'll keep working here and get back with you if you find anything. Alright guys, next signal here was a 1347, and I don't know anything about these. So bullet guys, if you know, that's a massive bullet. Anybody knows anything about that, let me know. Alright, I'll keep going, let you know if I find anything. Alright guys, next signal was a 1535. Looks like a little lipstick tube. I don't see any writing on it, but I believe that's what it is. Alright, keep going, let you know if I find. Hey guys, it's Wednesday, July 6th. It's really getting ready to storm. But I got permission to do this house here. It was built in 1880, but just got a wheat spill right here. Very windy. Bus coming through the side here, and it's got a 1346, 1246. I've got a big ring. I don't know if it's anything good. I'm trying to beat the rain. Let me clean it out here, and I'll see if it's got any markings in it. Be right back with you. Okay guys, I'm back. It says, get it to focus, Sterling NTK. It's got a maker's mark in there too, but I can't. That's not going to focus. It's really cloudy. But it's got a, looks like a B. Awesome find. This is a big ring. Okay, I'm going to keep going here before it starts raining, and I'll get back with you if I find anything else. Alright guys, I'm back. The rain's over and sun's out, and I just got a 1246 here. Just got a clad half. I think it's a 1971. That's a cool find. Alright, I'm going to keep working here and let you know if I find anything else. Alright guys, next signal is down about, it's down about 6 inches. I've got a, it's like a Merc. Get some water out here and spray it off. It looks like a 1941. No mint marker. Alright, I'll keep going here so I can find anything else. I'll get back with you. Okay guys, I'm still working in here. Working down off the sidewalk here. I was getting a 1245 jumping to a 1346, 47. I think I've got another ring, sterling ring. Yeah. Let me clean this out and I'll see if it has any markings. I'll get right back with you. Alright guys, I got it cleaned up here. It's a pretty nice ring. See on the inside there, marked sterling. It's heavy. This is awesome. 2 rings in this 1 yard. Alright, I'm going to keep working here. I'll let you know if I find anything else. Alright guys, it's Thursday, July 7th. I'm doing this old building here, and the guy told me it was an old schoolhouse in the late 1800s. But working my way down the side here, and got around the back by this big oak tree. And I'm tearing it up on rings this week. I got another ring. It's not marked sterling, but it has to be sterling. I mean, it came out of the ground clean. I just sprayed it just a little bit. At least I don't see any markings. Let me see. It's tiny. I don't know, it may say something down there, maybe not. It's got one piece missing right there. I'm gonna check the hole and see if it's in there. Alright, that's a good find. I'll keep working here and get back with you if I find anything else. Okay guys, next find was a nickel signal. It's right along this route. It wasn't down very deep. Some kind of a brooch. It's got some red stones in it. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, probably 4, and there may be a piece missing. I don't know. It's got the clasp on it. Alright, keep going here and get back with you if I find anything else. Alright guys, next signal here. I'm kind of down off the side of the building now. The 1535. And it's a big musket ball. It looked probably 50 caliber or so. That's pretty big. Heavy. Nice and white. Alright, starting to get dark. I'm going to hunt a little bit longer and I'll let you know if I find it. Alright guys, it's Friday the 8th. And I'm back in here at this old schoolhouse. I just got a low tone. It was down probably 8 inches to come out of the bottom of this hole. I think I may have some gold here. Looks like necklace. It's not come out nice and clean. And it says Edna. It's either, it may be a bracelet because it's not real long. But it sure looks gold to me. I'll clean it up, and I don't have a test kit, so I'm not sure, but the chain looks really nice. Alright, I'll keep working here and let you know if I find anything else. Alright guys, next signal is 1535. It's some kind of a big old button. It's a pretty good size. Thought it was a spoon bowl first, but started cleaning it. It's the front. You can see right there where it had the shank, and there's something right there too. Alright, I'll keep going here and see what else we can find. I'll get back with you. Alright guys, it's Saturday, July 9th. I'm at a new permission, just going down this sidewalk strip. Got a big lot to do. I'm just getting a 13, 45, 46, and about 4 or 5 inches down. Get a silver. Bust that off. It looks like a rosy. So we get a date off of it. That's not one to focus. Looks like a 1952. I don't see a mint mark. Alright, I'll keep going here and let you know if I find anything else. Alright guys, next signal here, I was getting a 1246, 1247 bounce around. Looks like I got another silver. Pop it out of there. Looks like a merc. Let me spray it off a little bit. Looks like a 1944. No mint mark. Alright, I'll keep going, let you know if I get any more. Alright, next signal here, down about 6 inches. As 1347. It's a token. Moore's store, good for 5 cents in purchase. And the back's plain, as far as I can tell. Looks plain. Alright, I'll keep going, let you know if I. Alright guys, next signal, down about 5 inches. Good 1312. And we got a buff. I don't know if there's a date on it or not. And might be. I'll have to clean it up a little bit later and see if I can get a date. Alright, I'll let you know if I find anything else. Okay guys, welcome to wrap up past couple hunts. There's the trash, just a little bit of everything. Here's some of the finds. 50 caliber full metal jacket. I think this is a 50 caliber round ball. Reed, this is a juicer. Not sure what this piece is, but couple buttons, couple marbles, 5-cent trade token. We'll try to get through this fast. $7.30 in clad. And here's this is all from today. A lot of Tootsie toys. A lot of them dated 1960s. Then the best finds. This is probably my best find. This buckle. It's an embellished oval strap buckle. 1700 to 1750. Right there it is. And here it is cleaned up. It's a Spanish officer's gun strap buckle. And then some of the other finds, trying to keep this quick. It's a long video. 1955 dog tag. Another dog tag. Get a hold of this. Cincinnati Reds pin. 1989 Reds and Pizza Hut commemorative pin set, 1 of 5. Not sure what that piece is. 13 wheats, 42 to 58. And got this nice sterling. Let's see. Sterling and 10K ring. It's a nice big ring. It's got a B in it. Then I got this sterling ring here. Nice big piece of silver. Then I got this small one. It's really little. I got this brooch. I think it's a brooch. Then this might be an earring. It's got a thing there and over here, but I'm not sure. Then on to the coins. I did find a 71 clad half, 41 Merc, 44 Merc, 52 Rosie, 1891 Indian, 1865 Indian, no date buff, and a 1940 Jefferson. And I did get this piece here. I haven't tested it, but it came out in the ground really clean, and it's a really fine gold chain. So should be gold. Alright, now keep this short and sweet, and thanks for watching. Good luck, and hope everybody's getting out and doing some digging. See you on the next.